Is there problem of border of leaves turning yellow and then brown? Are the wrinkles on your leaves and edges of leaves are turning? Are terminal bud of your plant drying? Then it is due to calcium deficiency. For that, use Utkarsh products like Calmag at 1 to 3 ml per liter water, or Calong half to 1 gram per liter water, or Calciboron 2 to 3 grams per liter water, or calcium nitrate 5 to 6 grams per liter water by spraying or by drip irrigation or by drenching. You can get better results by spraying. Calmag contains calcium 5%, Calong contains calcium 10% in EDTA form, Calciboron contains calcium 6% along with boron. Calcium nitrate provides 18.8% calcium along with nitrogen. Overcome deficiency using best quality products of Utkarsh Agrochem.